Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. This week I am using this really pretty kit from Ruby Jhey Designs. I do have a coupon code for this shop. You can use Justine15 to save. As you can see, it is fall themed with these really pretty like pink and burnt orange colors. And I really enjoy the florals of the full boxes. They are so gorgeous. I actually honestly wish she pulled in some of the other colors of the florals as far as like the colors that she chose to pull into the functional items. I love the color of the headers right now that I'm putting down. It's like this dusty rose pink color and I love that. But I think this kit, you can see here that she pulled in like a darker coral color, this like red orange color, but I really wish she had pulled in more of like this burnt orange that's in the florals. I guess you can't really see now, but you'll see it throughout the rest of the video, and maybe like one of the soft orange colors. But anyway, because of that, I mostly pulled in just this dusty pink color as far as the functional items of the kit goes, and then any functional item that had like the floral plant, and then I just pulled in a lot of my own functional stickers, which you'll see. The kit itself had this like really big, like one big floral deco piece, so I just pulled this into the top of the sidebar, and I'm using these really pretty like foil accents from Letters from Malay. Those accents are on the top of all of her foiled sticker sheets. And then, so as far as what I've put down, that November script is from Sticky Slut Designs. You guys have seen that in many videos in the past. And then this Simply Gilded Washi, which is actually a new color that I've added to my collection. You'll see that in an upcoming haul, but I really like that. I think on camera it looks pretty dark, and I guess it is darker than the Dusty Rose headers in person, but I think it pulls nicely with the florals of the kit. That kind of like light pink flower, the kind of middle of it. But yeah, and then for the headers of the full boxes, I am using this lace divider from Honey Inked. That is super gorgeous. I love the design of that, and if you look really closely, there are like these floral accents to that lace divider. So I thought that went pretty nicely with the florals of the kit. And yeah, that's the base of this spread. Now getting into, oh, and then I forgot, the date dots that I used are from Sadie Stickers. And so as far as the daily plans, I pulled in a lot of these frame boxes from Sweet Bella XOXO. I just got a whole bunch of them in a recent package, and I will be including that in an upcoming haul. But I am obsessed with those. They are really pretty. Adriana came out with a whole bunch of different styles to her frame boxes, and I picked up a whole bunch of them. And actually, I just saw today is Cyber Monday, and she released a few more, not boxes, not frame boxes, but she released a bunch of like lace mandalas and things like that. So I definitely have to place an order. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today or if I'm gonna wait, but definitely I want to pick those up. But okay. On Monday, so I'm marking work the same way every day. I don't usually do this, to be honest. Like, I don't mark work. I don't know. I don't love repetitive things in my planner, but I just decided to try it this time. So I used that like mandala slash doily type thing from Ruby Jhey Designs, and then the non-foiled laptop girl from Panda Bird Design. I really love the non-foiled option of those. I feel like it is so pretty, and then it comes in two different colorways. You get a blush and a neutral. I forget if yeah, I think those are the only two. But anyway, really love that. I really appreciate like just getting a break from the foil, especially since I'm layering it with a foiled mandala. I love having like a non-foiled icon right on top of that. So okay, let's see. And then I didn't mark like how many meetings I had. I'm not really sure if I like that or not. So I just like, um, so anyway, I don't know. Just trying something new, you know? Okay, as far as what's going on in my life, let's see. From my last plan with me, you guys saw that we applied for a new apartment, and here I'm using one of those Sweet Bell XOXO frames and then a heart from Clever Gal Crafts to mark that we were approved for that apartment. Woohoo! So very, very exciting. We will see how that goes. We haven't like signed the lease or anything or toward like the actual apartment, so we still have a bunch of things and steps to go through before we are actually going to move, but that was very, very exciting to hear that we were approved. On Monday, the first thing that I marked, I mentioned that I used the box, but I didn't say what I was marking. So I marked that we started a new family schedule on Monday with that like clock that's from Paper Muse Crafts actually, but with my man working remotely and me, and then all this like new training with my dog, we are trying our very best to stick to a good schedule for our dog. So we want to like exercise him in the morning, exercise him at lunchtime, as well as at night. So he's going to be getting a lot of exercise. And I think the schedule that we've come up with is going to work really well for us. So that is exciting. I definitely wanted to make sure that I mark that in my planner. On a few of these nights of this week, we watched Heart of Dixie, which I've mentioned in a previous plan with me, but I am really obsessed with that show right now. I have always really loved Rachel Bilson since she was on the OC back in like the early 2000s. And then I also found out that Heart of Dixie is leaving Netflix in mid-December. So we have just finished season 3. And actually season 4 is only like, it's like a shortened season. I think it's like 10 episodes or something like that. So we are definitely going to be able to make it and finish the show before it leaves Netflix. But once I heard that it was leaving Netflix, that was definitely a goal that I wanted to make sure that we finished that show. So lots of Heart of Dixie for this week. And then lots of fetch, lots of walks with the dog. Yeah, that is just my life. It is not very interesting at the moment, but it is exactly what I want it to be honest. Like, I really have been kind of living my best life. I kind of hate that saying, but I have really enjoyed just spending time at home with my little family, and just doing things that I like to do. So on a Friday, first thing I'm marking is that my Animal Crossing island got a 5-star rating. Wow! That was so exciting. I mean, obviously that's something that like anyone playing Animal Crossing is going to be working towards when they first start the game. So I finally got it. I am so excited. And I am never talking to Isabel again because I don't know, she's kind of useless in my opinion. Okay. So that was very, very exciting. Very happy about that. I also filmed Plan With Me as well as a haul. I pulled in that filming icon from Crafts by Towie. You guys know that icon. And then at the end of the night, I did wind down, and I did not spill wine on my planner. Woo! And then that wine glass is from Miss JustPlans, and then I used some just twinkle foil from Sticky Slot Designs. Saturday, I had a very lazy day. Honestly, I didn't really have much in my planner to mark down, so that's why whenever that happens, I usually just write that I had a lazy day, because most likely I did. Then I pulled in that swooshy divider from Harry Wright Designs again. And then here, oh my god, I actually love how I marked this. That hexagon is just from the kit, and then that film clapper is from Sticky Slot Designs. But after I wrote Film Plan With Me, I realized that's not what I wanted to mark there. So I pulled it up and then I put down like kind of a similar setup just to mark that we played. We went to this field that is nearby our new apartment, or the apartment that we just got approved for. And again, we are, or I'm just a crazy person and I want to just make sure that we are kind of like doing whatever we can to really understand the lifestyle and the neighborhood that we are going to be moving to. So, we just wanted to take our dog there to play fetch at the nearby field so that he also can get like accustomed to like the smells and all that shit. Like, I don't know, it makes sense in my head. So please don't make fun of me. Okay. And then at the end of the night, I filmed and edited a plan with me. So that edit stickers from Crafts by Towie, and then I'll also be putting in a heart divider from Rose Colored Days. Okay, so Sunday I'm pulling in this floral header from the kit, and then this like I don't know, leaf branch thing from Ruby Jhey Designs. I actually pulled in a few of those throughout the spread that I didn't mention. Um, I had a lot of white space, so I pulled in a lot of those to kind of just add some foil to those sections. Here, I did finish filming that plan with me, so I was luckily able to use what I put down on Saturday, and I was able to put that on Sunday because I do really like how that turned out. It's really pretty. I really love this floral. Honestly, I feel like I wish there was more of that floral pattern throughout like the functional items of the kit. But anyway, oh yeah, also sorry, I lost the footage, or I didn't have the footage for the second half of Sunday, and that's because my boyfriend called me while I was filming, and honestly I thought the the camera video or the video was still filming, but it wasn't obviously. So sorry about that. The only thing interesting on Sunday was that I finally got gas. So I haven't really been driving my car very much. So this was like the first time since probably June that I had to get gas. So that was like kind of funny and cool. And yeah, that is the spread. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.